Welcome guys to my video. This is way of changing redmi screen. As you can see, I'm removing the screen already. There's no gum on it again, so I can remove it easily. You will pull masking tape at the under, put the screen to test it on the phone. Before you add glue, make sure you test the screen very well. Can you see the phone is working? The screen is touching very well. So I am assembling the phone now. Can you see? That's a good process. You have to do a perfect job for customers so that next time they would like to give you more work. Can you see? I'm adding the bolt already. Can you see the process? Can you see the process? I want to do a smooth work. See, for you to change screen, you have to make it look neat so that person will not even know that you have changed screen already. Can you see? I have to clean the gum very well. Put rubber band. In 1 hour you remove it. When the gums dry,